Okay, so today the topic is limits. So first we reading as a definition of limit. That is the definition. That is limit extends to a f of x that becomes to L. Then L is said to be then L is said to be limit of f of x. So that is nothing but as x is approaches to a, that is as x is approaches to a, then f of x is approaches to L. This is nothing but approaches. So just we do that, a limit extends to a f of x is nothing but so just we substitute that x is equal to a, substitute x is equal to a in f of x, that is f of a. This is nothing but limit that is equal to L. So what is the limit? The limit is nothing but limit as x approaches to a, then the function f of x is approaches to L. Here what is that? L is said to be the limit, that is x is approaches to a, then f of x is approaches to L. So what is the procedure? Just the procedure is just we substitute that x is equal to a in that f of x, then it becomes to L. So first we take some problems. That is the first one is limit extends to 1, limit extends to 1, x cubed plus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 5x plus 4. So we need to find the limit. Evaluate. The question is that evaluate. So we compare limit as x is approaches to a f of x. We find L. Find L, that is equal to question mark. Here what is that? X is approaches to, that is a is nothing but 1 and f of x is nothing but x cubed plus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 5x plus 4. So that is nothing but what is the main procedure? The main procedure is just we substitute x is equal to a, that is nothing but 1. So that is nothing but f of a, that is equal to f of 1. So nothing but 1 cube plus 3 into 1 plus 2 by 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 4. So that is nothing but 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 1 plus 5 plus 4. So this is nothing but 6 by 10. So 6 by 10 is nothing but a 2 3 jar, 2 5 jar. That is the answer is 3 by 5. So here how we are finding that solution? A limit extends to 1, x cubed plus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 5x plus 4. What we do that? We do that compare limit x tends to a f of x. What we find? We find the L value. So therefore if I am comparing that, a is equal to 1, And what is that f of x? F of x is nothing but x cubed plus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 5x plus 4. So we substitute that x is equal to a, where the a is equal to 1. That is nothing but f of 1. So in f of x, then we get that 3 by 5. Okay. And next one is suppose the second one is limit x tends to 0, 5x square plus x plus 1 by 6x square minus 3x minus 5. So what we do that, we compare limit x is tends to a f of x. We find L. So therefore, what is the a? Therefore, a is equal to 0 and f of x equal to 5x square plus x plus 1 by 6x square minus 3x minus 5. So substitute x is equal to a. What is the a? A is nothing but 0 in f of x. In f of x. So therefore, f of a nothing but f of 0. If I am substituting that, it is equal to 0. It is nothing but 5 into 0 plus 1 by 6 into 0 square minus 3 into 0 minus 5. So this is nothing but 0 plus 1 by 0 minus 5. So finally we get that minus 1 by 5. So this is equal to L. That is the limit. So how we find that? That is the limit x tends to 0, x square minus 5x plus 1 by 6x square minus 3x minus 5. So we compare that limit x tends to a f of x. What we find? We find that L. If I am comparing that, a is equal to 0 and f of x equal to 5x square plus x plus 1 by 6x square minus 3x minus 5. We substitute that x is equal to a. What is that a? A is nothing but 0 in f of x. So that is nothing but f of a, that is equal to f of 0. Then we get that minus 1 by 5. And this is nothing but it is equal to limit. And next one is indeterminate form. The next problem is depending on indeterminate form. So what are the indeterminate forms? One is 0 by 0. In our syllabus we have indeterminate form is 0, the form of 0 by 0 and infinitive by infinitive, and 1 power of infinitive, 0 power of 0, infinitive power of infinitive. So these are forms are called the indeterminate form. Now we can solve this. How to solve that indeterminate form? For a solution of the indeterminate form, solution of indeterminate form, what are the methods for this one? The first one is take as a common factor, common factors, factorization. The method is a factorization, and second one is that rationalization, and third one is apply the standard formulas. Or we writing a take as a common element. If we have one of the method that we are using, this is 2, this is 3, and this one. So that is a common. Take as a common. Take as common. Okay, these are the various methods. So now we are applying that the problem. That is, the first one is factorization. The problem is limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by x square minus 5x plus 6. So first we do that, compare limit x tends to a f of x. So therefore a is equal to 2 and f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x square minus 5x plus 6. So that is nothing but substitute x is equal to a, that is equal to 2 in f of x. So that is nothing but f of a, that is equal to f of 2, that is 2 minus 2 by 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. So we get that 0, 4 minus 10 plus 6. What is the form? The form is 0 by 0. So therefore, what is the form? What is the form? The form is 0 by 0. What is the form?